All right, so who's excited for another steering rack, pull out, drop out, and put back together for it to fail again?
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you.
Just kidding. We're just gonna do it and not record it this time and just show you the results. I finally gave up, went to the dealership, and bought a brand new rack. Nice and shiny. Everything that I did failed, so just a whole bunch of time lost. But it's okay, it's a learning process. And for everybody that wants to know prices, don't ever break a RS steering rack. This right here is $1,400 plus a $400 core charge. So let's put her in, reprogram the sensors, and give it a rip. Steering rack is put in. Time to reprogram the sensors. Alright, let's program some of these modules, these sensors. So I'll do this and be back on the road hopefully. Okay, so calibrated the sensors. Let's see with the startup. Looks good so far. Okay. Okay, everything works. Looks good. If you guys could hear the excitement in my voice, not really excitement, I'm kind of scared. Let's do it. Alright, let's just do it a little bit to each side. Sensors are programmed. Steering angle sensors programmed. Let's see what it says in the... This is where I was getting a fault as well by this. Yeah, it's turning. Alright. Looks like we're getting full motion without any... Alright. Oh, this is exciting. Oh, this is cool. Who's ready to go with me? So I recorded some cool footage, but since the mount was so junk, it rattled everywhere, so it's not going to be usable. But car's driving awesome. Cleared all the lights. Perfect. So I wanted to thank Stuart, the original owner of this car. I was in contact with him. He really helped me out, gave me a key, the original key from the car the dealership needed to reprogram the body control module. So thanks, man. His Instagram should be on the bottom. Go give him a follow. On another note, how is this supposed to work? I set valet mode because I'm about to drop it off at the alignment place, because as you can see the steering wheel is just skewed a little bit to the left, and without taking any other chances I'm gonna go get it taken care of. But I put it to valet mode. I'm driving normal speeds, nothing is stopping it from doing craziness. Let's see if it'll rev. It's not revving past 5,000. Okay, well, maybe that's cool, I guess. Let's see. Hey, it's like launch control. Hey. I guess that's what valet mode is. Alright, so I'm going to try out the launch control here. See how that transfer case is going to hold up, if it's going to continue to leak or not. Let's give it a shot. I think I can honestly say the RS is complete and roadworthy. I keep getting messages and comments asking about the costs and whatnot. So let's do this. I really didn't want to discuss it or talk about it, but I guess this is what YouTube wants to know and hear. So if you guys share this video, give it a like, say a comment like, show me the money, and once we hit 1,200 subscribers, I'll make a breakdown and I'll include it in one of the videos. That's it for now.